Hey guys, EST Dudes 757 here, and well, a system test video using speaker strobes. However, the panel, the VoiceEvac panel is not how I wanted it, so it's gonna have to remain this way until I find a way to make it more suitable for my need. So here's the panel. Sorry about the light. As you can see, it is normal because I just did the jump wire thing. Here's the actual VoiceEvac parts here. Speakers connected over there as well. Under there, pull station over there. We'll go ahead here and do the pull station back here, which is converted from 276 to a 278. So let's take a 278, give it a pull here. I find that one the loudest. That one might be water damaged. Okay, there we go, silenced. I have to do the remote disconnect because it's connected to the fire alarm relay. I don't have a Sega CR yet for controlling this, so I will at some point. So we'll go ahead and reset here. This is just a quick test to show, and I did make better labels for the devices. Loop 1, device 012, garage pull station. Once it clears here, I'll just take off the remote disconnect. But it does have a bell on there for, backup, just in case. Take that off. I gotta show you the other function too, which is the tornado alert that I completely made in Audacity, and text to speech as well.
The tornado warning has been issued for this area. The tornado warning has been issued for this area. Please take all appropriate safety actions at this time.
Now that voice was synthesized by my text-to-speech program I made in Visual Studio. So I edited voice in Audacity to sound right. So, and the tone I generated myself on Audacity as well. Anyways, that's kind of it. And in regards to what's going on with this here, it's just connected to that power supply. I eventually really want to do is get a 70-volt power supply, to put on in the cabinet with this here and that too. Although I'm not sure if I can back it up then with battery power. Oh well, it is what it is for a hobbyist system, right? Anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching. Sorry for the absence. I just been really busy, and not crazy stuff going on with the fire alarm stuff anyway. The bell, if you want to see the bell, actually, I can do that real quick. Just activate the control, activate panel NAC 2. As you can see, that goes off after 2 minutes. Or sorry, I forget the time, but I set it to delay until 2 minutes after an alarm. So, it's still an alarm. Just in case the VoiceEvac fails, that bell will go off. Anyways, that's it.